Hello, my name is Bill Thrush. I'm the managing principal of Friedman, Fromme & Thrush, a LegalShield provider law firm. So in our law firm, we get a common question: when should I update my will? Should I only do it when my circumstances change? The simple answer to that is yes. When your circumstances change, you should update your will. However, you should have a more broad definition of what a change means. Everyone can understand a change if there's a birth of a child, a death of a family member, or someone gets married or divorced. Those are readily apparent. Those are easy to identify. But you should also keep that more broad definition of a life change in mind. For example, if you or your spouse loses your job or changes your job, that might trigger circumstances that will warrant a change in your will. If your financial status changes, for example, in a positive or a negative direction, take a look at your will. If you relocate your residence either to a different county or to a different state, you should look at your will. If your health status changes, you should look at your estate plan and see what the impact might be. If there's a change of law in your state, and not just with respect to probate law, but with respect to any law that might impact your finances, you should see how that change impacts your estate plan. As you age and as your heirs age, you may want to make changes to your estate plan. For example, if you have minor children in there and they have reached the age of majority, maybe that trust you set up is no longer appropriate. And finally, if you have assets that you want to leave behind to your family members and those assets are gone, or you obtain new assets that you want to make sure get left behind the way you want, you should use that as an opportunity to visit your estate plan. Now, keep in mind that every person's situation is unique and every circumstance is individualized. Keep also in mind that every state's laws are different. So you should call your provider law firm and check with them about your specific situation. And remember, no matter what, under any circumstance, you should have your will looked at every 3 to 5 years. When in doubt, check it out.